Yeah, here we are. Okay, first mate Caleb here, and I are out. We're on the water. We're going to attempt to figure out what the crap's going on with my boat. So, test number one is going to be isolating my fuel system, utilizing that spare gas can over there. We're going to isolate the fuel system by taking the fuel line as close to the engine as possible, plugging it into that tank, and seeing how the performance of the boat changes. And if it does, then our problem is somewhere within the fuel lines. If it doesn't, then we're going to move on to probably a compression test. Good luck, Mr. Caleb.
Yeah.
Hopefully this is the problem. This seems to be like one of the easier issues. I got that better. Go ahead. Well, we have our fire extinguisher out because we're dealing with gasoline. That's very dangerous. Now we know we're getting fresh fuel. I just filled this up, but also we see that it's leaking out over there. So we're gonna start the engine up and see if it works. So there's probably residual fuel just from the line already in the system. So Caleb, go ahead and just give it some gas, dude. Go ahead, full throttle. Full throttle. Is that it? Same problem, right? Alright, throttle back. Okay. So it seems as though we're having the same problem. Nothing's changed. Let's let, just in case, maybe it was bad fuel. Maybe. Let's let it just cycle through for a little bit. Go ahead and put it in neutral. And pull that pin out so we can manually just change. There you go, pull it out. And just give it some gas. I can feel the gas being pumped from this tank. Put it back into neutral, put it in gear, and let's drive forward, give it some gas and see if it does anything different.
Full throttle?
Full throttle. Same problem? Feels the same, right? Okay, so we've just determined that it is not a problem with the fuel system, at least from here back. It could be anything from here, but we're going to test that later with a fuel pressure gauge. Hello. See that light going off? That means we're getting spark. That's what I'm testing for right now. Boom, boom, boom. Next, first mate Elias, Captain Christian. What's up, Christian? Elias. Hey, while we're out here, we are going to do a compression test on each of the cylinders too. So we're starting here just because it was the most easily accessible. And we'll see what readings we get on all 8 cylinders. All right, Christian, as a recap, do you remember what PSI we were hitting on this number 8 cylinder? It's like just under 90 or just over 90. It's like 95.
90, yeah.
Okay, what was the number 4 cylinder?
This one was like 90.
Okay, what was number?
This one was
3 cylinder.
Below 90, so I'd assume 80. And this one is like 75.
Show it to me. Great.
It's above 90. It's like 100 too.
Okay, that's cylinder what?
This is 1.
Cylinder 1. Okay. And then we got these 3 over here remaining. I forgot to. Okay. Let's see.
Same as the other one.
A little under 100, it looks like. Okay, thank you. Is this our last cylinder, or do we have one more?
This should be the last one.
No, we didn't. Oh, is it? Is the very furthest one up front? Yeah, it is, right? Okay. Cylinder 5. Crank it. All right, well, those are our values. Which one is cylinder 5? It is at what? How much? Almost 100. It looks like 90 something. Okay. Kill it.